Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Death Valley, California. Specifically, we are at Stovepipe Wells. Be looking at the motel, the restaurant, the general store, and the campground today. Give you an idea of what's here if you want to come out and stay. We come out to Death Valley every year. If you look back in the channel, I'll put a link somewhere to the playlist. I've done some of the other resorts and hotels in the park. Check those out if you're interested. But today we're looking at Stovepipe Wells. If it's your first time, please give us a subscribe, a like, a comment. And let's check out Stovepipe Wells in Death Valley. As you can see, we are smack dab in the middle of Death Valley. Filming this now, it is beginning of December 2024. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's about 50 degrees. It's very nice out. We have the campground over here. You have the general store and the gas station. Way down there is the ranger station. You'll need to grab your park pass, which is $30 for 7 days. And there is the Stovepipe Wells Resort? Motel? I don't know. It has a nice hotel. It has pool. It has a restaurant and a bar. Good food. Again, we're here beginning of December 2024, and right now they're getting all new furniture in the motel. We had to wait a few minutes yesterday when we checked in because we're getting new furniture, which is kind of nice. So yeah, it's very nice, very well taken care of. We had lunch here yesterday, and we'll be having they have an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet in the morning for about $14, I think. Yesterday I had a burger and fries. It was about $12. Not too bad. They do have a steak dinner for like $40. But yeah, let's go check out the campground. I've never stayed here camping, so I'm not sure what the fees are. I'll put a link down in the description. They have quite a few spots. They are powered. Restroom and showers in the middle. Let's go check out the general store. This is the actual motel, Stovepipe Wells Village, they call it. That's the pool over there. I believe gas right now is $4.48, which isn't bad. I've seen it worse in Death Valley. Remember, this is California, so we have the gas prices.
So maybe check with them about the conditions up here, but yeah, at least to get up here. Okay, you can take this. Thank you so much. Have a good day. You too.
So that was the gas station. They have supplies, some basic food supplies, sodas, beers, coffee in the morning. Gas station, we have ice machine, restrooms if you're just driving through. And that down there, right down there, is the ranger station. Beyond that is the sand dunes. Let's go check out the village and check out the motel. So I was saying before, if you're going to be in the park, you do need a permit. It is $30 for 7 days. I think $100 gets you all the parks. It's kind of the slow season right now, but if you're going to stay here, I would look ahead for reservations, especially the summer months. You can book up pretty fast. And I don't know why it gets 120 here. It's called Death Valley. People actually have died here, but it is beautiful. So if you're going to stay at any of the resorts, again, book ahead. They're all online. I think it's one website for all the resorts. Again, I'll put that in the link in the description. Let's go check out the pool. There's your pool with some shade. Not too crowded at this time of day, this time of year. Over here we have registration. There's also a gift shop in there. We have the Badwater Saloon, which is a bar. Also serves food. And the Toll Road Restaurant, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right now you can smell bacon. So it's very quiet, it's very well kept. All the rooms have air conditioning and heating. And the cool part is, sorry, wrong button. The cool part is, I think all, if not most, have a front and back door. So up ahead over here, I'm staying in this room over here, and you have a back porch. You have a back porch and a rocking chair. It's kind of nice. And this is your view. Alright, this has been Stovepipe Wells Village in Death Valley. It's a cute little area. Pretty much all-inclusive. It's either your room, has food, provisions, gas, everything you'll need to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful park. So, if you're coming out, take a look. Again, I'll have a link in the description to the other hotels in the area that we stayed at. Until next time. Wait. Again, subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Get the algorithm going. I have to say that. And until next time, we'll see where the road takes us.